Lesson 12, a gift for grandfather. So let's start. So as I have told you that the five boys that are older and stronger than Bakru, they came here to collect the nuts. Now Bakru is hiding behind the bushes, as I have shown you. Now let's continue the chapter. Now the boys are saying we can catch him and take the nuts from him. And Bakru is so much scared and hid himself behind the bushes. And the boys are saying that we can catch him and take the nuts from him. Now Bakru is very much scared, as the boys are saying his name also. But the eldest boy looked thoughtful. Among these five boys, the eldest boy, okay, he also looked thoughtful and what he is saying. And finally, he said, "No, that's unfair." What do you mean by unfair means? That is not good. That we don't have to take the nuts from him as he has collected for him. So, see, and the boy is saying that no, it's not good. He got up early to go to the mosque and get here before us while we were snugly asleep. So, what do you mean by snugly here? Snugly asleep means, and we were sleeping comfortably. And Bakru, he got up early to collect that nuts, and he got up early to go to the mosque. He is going to the morning prayers also, and he get here before us while we were snugly asleep, while we were sleeping at that time, and he had collected all the nuts. So it is not good that we will take all the nuts from him. And the boy is saying, if we want nuts, we would better get up early instead of taking his nuts away from him. And he is saying to other boys that if you want the nuts, you have to get up early instead of taking his nuts away from him. Okay? That if you want the nuts, you have to get up early here, get up early in the morning, and you have to collect the nuts from here. You don't have to take the nuts from him. The other boys looked at him sheepishly as the elder boy is saying these lines, but the other boys is just looking that boy and looking at him sheepishly. What do you mean by sheepishly? Means very feeling very ashamed and foolish. Like the elder boy is saying these lines that if you want the nuts, you have to get up early in the morning. And why you want to take the nuts from him? You see? And they knew that if they had not been lazy, they would have had nuts of their own. And they also know, all the other boys, they also know that they have shown the laziness, and if they get up early in the morning, then they will collect their own nuts. Now, on hearing this, Bakru was deeply moved. And as Bakru is listening all the conversation what the boys are doing, and he was scared also. But when the eldest boy is saying like this, we don't have to take the nuts from Bakru. Instead, we have to get up early in the morning if we want the nuts. So on hearing this line, Bakru was deeply moved. Okay, and Bakru just feel very emotional and just stood up from there, and suddenly he stood up and called after the boys, as the eldest boy is saying. So he stood up and called after the boys, and he just called the boys, and the boy stopped and turned towards Bakru, astonished. So the boy stopped when Bakru called the boys, and they turned towards Bakru, astonished. Astonished means surprised. And the boys were surprised to see that Bakru is behind the bushes. Now, breathing deeply, Bakru said, "I'm sorry I took all the nuts. Now As Bakru is feeling very scared also, now feeling very emotional also. Now he said, I'm sorry that I have taken all the nuts. I have collected all the nuts. And you can take these nuts from me. Here you take some. After all, we are friends. Now Bakru is saying these lines. After all, we are friends and we should share what we have. That we will share this what I am having. Okay, we will share all the nuts that I am having. The five looked first at Bakru. When Bakru said this, that we will share, I will share with you these nuts, and the five boys that are older and stronger than him, they looked first at Bakru and then at each other. They just looked at Bakru also, and then they looked at each other also. That what Bakru is saying, he want to share the nuts with us. Finally, the eldest boy said, no, Bakru. And the boy is saying, the eldest boy is saying that no, Bakru, it's your right to take as they are yours because you got up early and gathered them. It's your right that you got up early in the morning and you have collected them, gathered them means collected them. So it's yours only. You will take these. Then Bakru said, I really want you to have them, but I really want to share with you these nuts. Now Bakru is saying that I want to share these nuts. And he also said, I had planned to take them to grandfather because I thought he might be ill. And Bakru also told them that I have collected these nuts for my grandfather because I thought he might be ill, that he may be sick. So I want to just meet him and I want to take some present gift for him. That's why I have collected these nuts. But he will be happy with my share. But if he came to know that I have collected the nuts, but I have shared the nuts with the boys, now he will be more happy that I have shared something with others. I saw your grandfather. Then one boy said, I saw your grandfather talking to a neighbor, said one of the boys. But one boy has said that I saw your grandfather, that he is talking to a neighbor. He said that he had caught a cold. That Bakri is saying, na, grandfather was ill. Now one boy is saying that I have seen your grandfather is talking to a neighbor. He said that he had caught a cold, but he would go to the mosque soon. But soon he will be fine and go to the mosque for morning prayer. One boy then said, I have an idea. Bakru will share his nuts with us. Then, out of these five boys, one boy said, okay, I have an idea. As Bakru also want to share the nuts with them. So, one boy said, I have an idea. Bakru will share his nuts with us and we will all go and give them to grandfather. Okay, then Bakru will also be satisfied then that he will also share, and we all he will share with us and we all will go to give them to grandfather. Then Bakru is sharing his nuts with all the five boys. So, with their arms around each other's shoulders, just see, then they happily, all the Bakru with all the five boys, they all just, Bakru has shared the nuts with them. Now they all just go. The boys walk towards grandfather with his present. Then they all are going to grandfather house to give a present, a gift to grandfather. So, this chapter teaches us the joy of sharing. Like Bakru has shared the nuts. First of all, he was just scared that the boys will take away all the nuts from him. But now, when the eldest boy said, no, we don't have to take all the nuts from him, as it's the right of Bakru that he came earlier and collected. So we don't have to take the nuts from him. But finally, he had shared the nuts with the boys. He had shared. So sharing habit is a good habit. So helping others and sharing with others give the ultimate happiness. So this happiness also, the Bakru has got this happiness by sharing the nuts, and now they are going to share the nuts with they all are want to give the gift to grandfather. So okay students, and I will send you the worksheet also and read the chapter again. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day.